This is Shelley Craft coming to you live on SNN.Live. We're at the Sprott Natural Resource Symposium 2019 here in Vancouver. With me today is Tony Rovira from Azure Minerals Limited. It's a publicly traded company on the ASX, and the symbol is AZS. Tony, welcome back to SNN.Live.
Thank you, Shelley. It's a pleasure to be here.
It's good to have you. Let's get started with an overview of the company, and then we'll go from there.
Certainly. Azure is now a mining company. We're developing our first mine in Mexico, and things are looking really positive.
So in other words, the last time you were on, you were an exploration company.
That's correct. We've transitioned from being just an explorer to being a mining company. And although we'll continue with exploration, the mining is now our main game.
So let's get into, in your case, what differentiates this company from the other ones in this space? And what's your competitive advantage?
Well, a couple of things. Firstly is that we're a company that always desired to go from explorer to mining. And whereas a lot of other companies want to be one or the other. No, we're very comfortable doing both exploration and mining, and hence the transition to becoming a mining company. Point of difference is that we've been in Mexico now for about 14 years, and we know how to operate in the country. We know the people. We know the best areas to work in, and that longevity in the country has given our company a great deal of positive benefits at government level and also socially.
So you're a base metals company, correct?
That's correct. It's a zinc, lead and silver mine, and as I said, it came into production about a month ago, and things are looking very positive.
So when you look at your resource, how long is the mine life?
The mine life is at least 6 years. We've got plenty of exploration upside, so we think that we can double that, but we're quite confident going into production now that we'll be there for at least 6 years.
So what's your background?
I'm a geologist by training, but I'm very much a company manager these days, although I still like to kick rocks.
Are you in country, or do you have a staff and a crew there?
We've got staff and crew in Mexico. I'm based out of Perth in Western Australia, which is where the company is headquartered, but I spend a lot of time in Mexico, and we have a really good crew, almost all of whom are local people over there, geologists, engineers, metallurgists and the like. It's a country which we find very comfortable doing business in.
So when you talk about mining, describe what the camp looks like.
This is an area in northern Mexico in the state of Sonora. It's a large number of sort of rolling hills. The beauty of this deposit is massive sulfides of zinc, lead and silver, and it sticks out of the ground. So we're currently mining with basically a bulldozer and a front-end loader, and we're picking up this massive sulfide high-grade mineralisation and processing it and making a concentrate.
So from what you can tell me as a public company, what are some growth drivers for the balance of 2019 and 2020?
Okay, what we're doing at the moment with the mining is producing the quantity and quality of the zinc and lead concentrates that we've said that we can produce. Once that we've achieved that aim, then we'll look to expand the operations, increase the throughput, increase the mining rate, and take the company to another higher level.
Tony, let's get your website out there for more information for our investor audience, if you would.
Certainly. It's azureminerals.com.au.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tony Rovira, Azure Minerals Limited. It's a publicly traded company on the ASX, and the symbol is AZS. I'm Shelley Craft. This is SNN.Live, coming to you live from the Sprott Natural Resource Symposium 2019 here in Vancouver. Thanks so much for coming on.
Thanks, Shelley. Pleasure.